Sleep, the essential balm for our minds and bodies, is often elusive in today's fast-paced world. As we navigate the challenges of modern life, the quest for a restful night's sleep becomes increasingly crucial. In this video, we explore the realm of herbal remedies, nature's gentle touch, to guide us into the embrace of soothing slumbers. In a world where screens glow late into the night and stressors follow us into our bedrooms, the importance of quality sleep cannot be overstated. Herbal remedies offer a natural and holistic approach to address sleep disturbances, providing a sanctuary of calm amidst the chaos. It is important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Chamomile, the tranquilizing elixir. Our journey begins with chamomile, a delicate herb with a potent calming effect. Chamomile tea, derived from the flowers of the Matricaria chamomilla plant, has been cherished for centuries as a prelude to bedtime. The compound apigenin found in chamomile binds to receptors in the brain, inducing relaxation and easing the transition into sleep. Incorporating a cup of chamomile tea into your evening routine creates a ritual that signals to the body, it's time to unwind. Valerian, rooting for serenity. As we delve deeper into the world of herbal sleep aids, valerian root emerges as a powerful ally. Valerian has been used since ancient times for its sedative properties, promoting a sense of tranquility and easing nervous tension. The compounds in valerian interact with gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, receptors in the brain, acting as a natural sedative. Whether in the form of a tincture or herbal supplement, valerian root offers a non-habit-forming option for those seeking a deeper and more restorative sleep. Lavender Aromatic Lullaby. A fragrant symphony of relaxation, lavender transcends its role as a garden delight to become a lullaby for the senses. Lavender's essential oils contain compounds like linalool and linaloyl acetate, known for their calming and soothing effects. Aromatherapy with lavender essential oil, whether through a diffuser or a sachet near your pillow, creates a tranquil ambience conducive to restful sleep. Additionally, lavender can be infused into pillows, sachets, or herbal eye masks, providing a sensory retreat to calm the mind. Passionflower, nature's sedative. Nature's sedative, passionflower, unfolds its intricate blooms to offer a gentle remedy for sleeplessness. Passionflower interacts with GABA receptors, similar to valerian, inducing a sense of calm and relaxation. Traditionally used to ease anxiety and promote sleep, passionflower can be enjoyed as a tea or incorporated into tinctures. Its mild yet effective sedative properties make it an excellent choice for those seeking a natural alternative to soothe the mind before bedtime. In our quest for restful nights, these herbal remedies stand as beacons of tranquility. Chamomile, valerian, lavender, and passionflower each offers a unique pathway to the serenity of slumber. Whether sipped as a warm cup of tea, diffused as aromatic ambience, or integrated into nightly rituals, these herbal allies beckon us to embrace the restorative power of nature. Tranquil dreams, bedtime tea blend, 1 teaspoon dried chamomile flowers, 1/2 teaspoon dried valerian root, 1/2 teaspoon dried lavender buds, 1/2 teaspoon dried passionflower. Combine herbs. In a small bowl, mix together the dried chamomile flowers, valerian root, lavender buds, and passionflower. Infusion. Boil 8 ounces of water and pour it over the herbal blend in a teapot or mug. I prefer to use a tea strainer to keep the herbs from spreading into the tea. Steeping. Cover and steep the herbs for about 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the herbs to release their beneficial compounds into the water. Strain. Strain the tea to remove the herbal particles, or use a tea infuser for easy preparation. Optional additions. Sweeten your tea with a touch of honey if desired, and enjoy it 30-60 minutes before bedtime. Turn off your TV, put away your phone, create a restful sleep environment. Note: since individual responses to herbs can vary, it's a good idea to start with a smaller amount and gradually increase if needed. This blend combines the calming and sedative properties of chamomile, valerian, lavender, and passionflower to create a harmonious and relaxing tea perfect for winding down before sleep.